Then people say, where is the resources going to come from? If the income tax is gone, then budget, there are 2 lakh crore rupees coming from income tax. So I say, no, don't worry. There are other ways to earn resources for the government. What is the other way? The other way is auction spectrum licenses. When I found that the UPA government had given spectrum licenses at 2001 prices, in 2008, in 2001 there were only 40 million mobile phones. In 2008 there were 700 million, 70 crore mobile sets. So the demand for spectrum had gone up. So the price of spectrum also went up. So when the 2G licenses were given, they were given at 2001 prices, the price at which the NDA had auctioned spectrum. Had UPA auctioned spectrum licenses in 2008, you would have got 10 times more. That was the market price, was 10 times. Now, what is this 2G, 3G, 1G, 4G? Most people don't know. Even the Prime Minister doesn't know. I asked him, he said, for me 2G means Sonia Ji and Rahul Ji. But you see, when the cordless phone came, that was 1G. G for generation, PD, as they say in Hindi. 1G is first generation. What is the first generation? You pick up a phone, you dial, no wire, nothing, and the phone rings. Because the communication is through a wave, sound wave, which has long cycles. But you can only telephone. That is 1G. Then came 2G. In 2G you can telephone, you can send SMS, you can send email, you can send pictures. So there the difference is that the airwaves have more cycles. 3G, you can telephone, you can send SMS, you can send emails, you can send pictures, and the person who picks up the phone, you can see him. And he can see you. Today it has not come so extensively in India, but the army is using it because all the soldiers who are living in the Himalayas, they can talk to their family on 3G phones and they can see their family. 4G is also coming, where you can do all the things before, plus 10,000 pages of documents you can send. Today you cannot send more than 15-20 pages. 10,000 pages of documents you can send. So that has even more cycles. And in the atmosphere, in the sky, you have to make sure that they don't collide with each other. So these channels created, they are called spectrum. And that is limited. So there is a demand. So demand grows up, the price goes up. 10 times was the price. But they sold it at 1/10 the price, 2001 price. And the argument given was that we don't want the tariff rates to go up. Good argument. But many companies, 9 companies got the licenses. What did they do? Some of them are not even telecom companies. They were Raja's friends. So they were a real estate company. One of them is Bombay, Shahid Balwas, DB Realty, Unitech. These were not telecom companies. They didn't have a tower, nothing. And they were Raja's friends. So they got it. And what did they do? Shahid Balwas went and sold it to this Abu Dhabi company called Etisalat at 8 times the price. He sells to, buys from India from the Indian government at 1,680 crores for 4 megahertz. Sells it at 8 times that. That is about 15,000 crores. Same thing with Unitech. They sell it to Telenor, which is a Chinese technology-based company called Huawei, and also sells it for 8 times. Tata sells to Docomo at 13 times, because Tata has got towers, this thing, that thing, so it was able to command a higher price. It sold it for 13 times, 50% of their spectrum. Same thing with Idea, same thing with Videocon. All these 9 companies sold most of their licenses. Supposing the government had auctioned, then these foreign companies would have paid market price. You would have got 10 times what you got. What we got was 1680 crores of 2001 prices multiplied by 9. That came to about 15,000 crores. Total we got 15,000 crores. And had you auctioned it, you would have got 1,50,000 crores. And plus CDMA and conversion from CDMA to GSM, all these things added together, you would have got 2 lakh crores. Minus 15,000 crores from that, you get 1,75,000 crores, which is what the CAG estimated. Mr. Sibal said, it's all nonsense, it is zero loss. How does he know it is zero loss? People started criticizing him. Said, poor chap, he doesn't know how to count beyond 0. Now they have auctioned. I went to Supreme Court, asked the licenses to be cancelled. Happy to say, for the first time in the history of India, the licenses given were cancelled.